Okay, hello, it's Garnet, and guess what? I've decided to go ahead and do a series of short videos breaking down the Neurolite Practical Guide for Beginners, step by step by step. So not only will you have it and you can study it, I would suggest maybe printing it out. What I've done here is I've printed it but stapled it in separate sections. You can make it a binder or whatever you want. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going through the papers with you one by one, step by step. So I'll make comments, maybe some kind of additional information, making it easier to make it easy for you. My goal is to keep each video short. I'm hoping 10 minutes maximum. I'll do my best on that. So if you don't have the Neurolite Practical Guide for Beginners, it's a digital copy. Your Neurolite ambassador, if we're still working with that structure, should give it to you. They should be helping you, and this is one of the main ways to help. The other would be to ask me. It's easy. All you've got to do is send an email to theneurolite@gmail.com. I'll get it and say, Garnet, could I please have the Neurolite Practical Guide for Beginners? I'll send it to you. I've charted it out, and it looks like it's going to be about, or maybe even exactly, 30 videos. And combined with the other videos in Neurolite Garnet YouTube channel, that's going to take us to, at this point, well over 100. I'm going to make a separate category. There are 4 categories right now. This is September 2nd, 2017, by the way. So when you go into Neurolite Garnet, the YouTube channel, what you see is you see, of course, all the videos, but you also see them in categories or conventionally playlists. The 4 Neurolite Beginners, step by step, video by video, kind of takes you through a lot of those things. This would kind of have a relationship to that, I suppose, but this is actually video series formatted after this document itself. Then you've got the deeper, and then you've got the specific, and then you've got the complete training. So those are the 4 categories right now, or playlists. Right as soon as I put these together, it's going to take a while. I'll be putting them in step by step, I suppose, one by one, and it'll be a 5th category, and I'm going to call it Neurolite Guide Step by Step, I think is what it's going to be called as a playlist or a category. So my suggestion is, if you want, but my suggestion is print it out. You've got an index, page by page, title by title, tells you where to go. Print that out. Then you've got the main document itself. I've got it here in 5 sections. I've got number 1 for basic concepts, number 2 for the brain exercises and the brain gym, number 3 the help right now, that style of using the Neurolite for short-term benefits. That's number 3. Number 4, I've got some brain shaping, and I think you have to appreciate that brain shaping is not really a beginner's area unless you're already deeply experienced in neuroplasticity, but I'll be discussing brain shaping. And then the last one, section 5, the way I've just subdivided these are all the different compositions that I've put together in a theme index, and that's the way that is. So print it out is my recommendation. You can make it into one big book. You can bind it with the index in the front, or you can do it like I've done. Staple together the index. It's 3 pages. Lets you know where to go, page by page, topic by topic. And then in 5 segments, basic concepts. Number 1, brain exercise. Number 2, help right now. Number 3, number 4, brain shaping. Number 5, the brain skill compositions as a theme index. All right? So let's call this the introduction to the Neurolite Practical Guide for Beginners, the step-by-step video series. Let's see how it goes. Thanks. Bye.